How do you use CBD oil? Now that you've got your tincture, let's walk you through exactly what you need to do to get the most out of your product. First, check and see what milligram strength you need. You can find those notes down in the comment section. Once you have your bottle, let's get started. As you can see on the dropper, each drop is metered in 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, and 1 ml. Take according to your recommended dosage. Are you curious what that might be? Check out the show notes. Once you fill your tincture dropper up to your recommended dose, you can then place it directly under your tongue. Leave it there for 60 to 90 seconds and then swallow any leftover residual. This ensures you're getting the most CBD out of your tincture. Because of sublingual glands that exist below our tongue, we're able to absorb the CBD directly into our bloodstream and bypassing the digestive system. This is the optimal way to get the highest bioavailability of your CBD oil. Have more questions? Feel free to reach out to us at kchempco.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel right here so that you can stay up to date with CBD, cannabis, and all other plant-related education.